Good morning. My name is Helen Sanders. I'm a renal dietitian at Tampa VA Hospital. We have Rosemary here. She's going to show you how to prepare one of the best breakfast meals that you can enjoy.
Hey everybody, today is day 1 of week 1 of our breakfast preparation. We're gonna make eggs, bread, oatmeal, and some fruit cocktails. And by the way, all of the listed ingredients that you need are down in the description. Now, this is a super easy recipe to make. It's one of my favorites because I could just get up in the morning, go to the kitchen, get it done, and I'm out of the house. Out of this entire recipe, eggs are my favorite part out of it because it has one of the best proteins that you could possibly have in the egg whites, not the egg yolk. So now we're gonna take those 3 eggs, we're gonna crack them into a bowl. So there's a few different ways that you can do this. So let's just finish putting that into the bowl, and then we'll take that spoon and scoop out those yolks. Nice and easy. And then the second one. And there you go. You took out those 2 yolks and you have your egg whites and your single yolk. Okay, now that we separated our yolks from our whites, I'm gonna grab our green onion and start chopping away. It looks dangerous, but it's not, I promise. And I'll try not to cut anything extra off that I don't have to. Nice thin slices. I'm gonna use this to put it in our eggs. Okay, so now that we've cut our green onions, I'm gonna grab our eggs and I'm gonna put those in there. You don't have to use green onions, you can use any type of herb that you like, but these are my favorite. Now that they're in here, we're gonna mix them well. And now that they're nice and mixed in, we are ready to toss them into the pan. Usually what I use is olive oil or vegetable oil, but today we're gonna splurge a little bit and we're gonna use some margarine. So I'm gonna take that and put it into the bowl and let that melt for a little bit, just like that. Love that sizzle. Spreading the butter around. Now I'm gonna take the eggs and pour them in there. Let them sit a little bit. We probably don't want to leave these on here for too long or they'll burn. Now that we have our yummy eggs ready, we are going to prepare our oatmeal. We are supposed to make our oatmeal, but I went ahead and made it because it's super easy to make. You just add the water, follow the instructions on the box basically. Just one friendly reminder is to not try and buy some instant oatmeal just because it does contain a lot of phosphorus and it can compromise our kidney function. So just try to avoid that when you're shopping in the stores. And it sounds like our bread's ready. So now we're just gonna drain our fruit to make sure that we're getting all of that syrup out of there because we don't want that in our breakfast. Now that it's nice and drained out, we're gonna put it into our bowl. How pretty is that? So now that we're done draining our fruit, we're ready to get the rest of our breakfast in here. We're gonna grab our bread, our eggs, and if you want something to drink, you could do either coffee or tea, whatever you prefer. But doesn't our plate look amazing? It makes me hungry. I don't know if it's making you hungry, but I'm ready to dig in.